The humanitarian situation in the Gaza Strip is growing increasingly dire, according to aid organizations working there. They say they have stopped much of their aid distribution efforts in southern Gaza because Israeli airstrikes and ground operations aimed at Hamas make it too dangerous.
The severe restrictions on aid access and delivery have only aggravated the situation, leading to starvation among Gaza's population and intensifying an already dire humanitarian crisis. Critical shortages of food, water, electricity, and fuel persist. In overcrowded shelters, scarcity of these items heightens health risks.
Medical professionals say the healthcare system is collapsing, and there are concerns about disease spreading, especially among an estimated 1 million children.
Hundreds of children lining up for a single toilet in the south. Our teams are telling us of maggots being picked from wounds and children undergoing amputations without anesthetic. More than 1 million children, practically all of the child population of Gaza, is left with nowhere to go as ground operations continue to expand in the south.
Israeli officials say they are doing whatever they can to allow humanitarian aid to reach those who need it. They are opening another terminal at the Kerem Shalom border crossing to speed up the Israeli inspections of the aid, which is done to prevent weapons smuggling.
In Nitzana, we expanded the capabilities, the inspections, and we accelerated the process. Today, we can inspect up to 250 trucks every day in Nitzana. And as I said, the problem is not Nitzana. The problem is the capability of the UN agencies to collect all the international assistance that, after we are checking it, goes to Rafah.
More than 18,000 Palestinians have been killed in the fighting and almost 50,000 wounded, according to the Hamas-controlled Palestinian Health Authority in Gaza. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres has repeatedly called for a ceasefire.
Expect public order to completely break down soon. And an even worse situation could unfold, including epidemic diseases and increased pressure for mass displacement into Egypt.
Egypt is said to be reinforcing the wall it built on its border with Gaza. It has warned Israel and the international community that it will not accept any Palestinian refugees, leaving them to face the winter in a war zone. Linda Gradstein, VOA News, Jerusalem.